KA01 is Bengaluru Central. KA02 is Bengaluru West. KA03 is Bengaluru East. KA04 is Bengaluru North. KA05 is Bengaluru South. KA06 is Tumkur. KA07 is Kolar. KA08 is Kolar Goldfields. KA09 is Mysuru West. KA10 is Chamarajanagar. KA11 is Mandya. KA12 is Madikeri. KA13 is Hassan. KA14 is Shivamogga. KA15 is Sagara. KA16 is Chitradurga. KA17 is Davangere. KA18 is Chikmagaluru. KA19 is Mangaluru. KA20 is Udupi. KA21 is Puttur. KA22 is Belgavi. KA23 is Chikkadi. KA24 is Bailhogal. KA25 is Dharwad. KA26 is Gadag. KA27 is Haveri. KA28 is Vijaypura. KA29 is Bagalkote. KA30 is Karwar. KA31 is Sirsi. KA32 is Gulbarga. KA33 is Yadagir. KA34 is Ballari. KA35 is Hospet. KA36 is Raichur. KA37 is Koppala. KA38 is Bidar. KA39 is Bhalki. KA40 is Chikballapura. KA41 is Nana Bharati. KA42 is Ramanagara. KA43 is Devanahalli. KA44 is Tiptur. KA45 is Hunsur. KA46 is Sakhaleshpur. KA47 is Honnavar. KA48 is Jamkhandi. KA49 is Kokak. KA50 is Yelahanka. KA51 is Electronic City. KA52 is Nelamangala. KA53 is Krishnarajapuram. KA54 is Nagamangala. KA55 is Mysore East. KA56 is Basava Kalyan. KA57 is Bengaluru STU and AR. KA58 is Banashankari. KA59 is Chandrapura. KA60 is RT Nagar. KA61 is Marathahalli. KA62 is Surathkal. KA63 is Dharwad East. KA64 is Madhugiri. KA65 is Dandeli. KA66 is Tarikere. KA67 is Chintamani. KA68 is Rani Bennur. KA69 is Ramdurg. KA70 is Pantwal. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification of my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.